COVID-19 will be a pandemic that will be remembered for many more decades. Millions have fallen for this deadly virus. Many have lost their jobs, many don't get enough income, which has pushed them to poverty and in need of basic necessities like food.
मैं लॉकडाउन के पहले 15,000 मेरा सैलरी आता था। अभी लॉकडाउन हो गया, 3,000 सैलरी आ रहा। अभी खाने के लिए बच्चे को अच्छा देने के लिए नहीं हो रहा है।
Although children are not directly affected by the virus, they are paying a heavy price through the indirect effects of the crisis. Families are forced to compromise on healthy food in order to pay for other needs such as rent and medicine. More than 60% of our community's children eat just biscuits for breakfast.
Children in our community lack balanced diet, and this has resulted in a great hindrance in their mental health as well as focus on their studies, and this has brought down their ability to perform well.
Binod, a grade 4 child, weighs only 19 kilos. He is undernourished and weak. He recently broke his arm while playing.
I want to become football player and I want to become strong.
There are many children like Binod who have big dreams but lack basic necessities. A nutritious meal for the children will help them improve their physical and mental health. This gave birth to the idea of the Lunchbox project.
We started the Lunchbox project so that we can restore the health of the community children and help them to live a healthy life.
More than 50 children from our community receive hot and tasty lunch from our kitchen. The menu for the children is designed on the advice of the nutritionist to make sure they receive a well-balanced meal.
Our menu contains a balanced diet for the children, which includes chicken, fish, eggs, and meat.
I like to eat chapati as well.
I like the lunch project because they give us fish and chicken to eat.
Regular BMI tests conducted have helped us see the improvement in the children's health. Your contribution is making a big difference in the lives of our children.